Hi everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel. I hope you're healthy and doing well. On this channel, we cover the news, facts, and sentiments about the crypto market. We also interview many of the folks who are building and investing in the crypto asset class. I've interviewed many folks such as Mark Yusko of Morgan Creek Capital, CZ, Binance CEO, and tomorrow I will be interviewing the COO of Algorand. So they are doing some big things. Like you guys may recall, they got selected to be the blockchain platform that the Marshall Islands will build their CBDC on. So we'll be talking about that, guys. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please hit that thumbs up button. Guys, we did see some upward movement here in the crypto market today. So definitely some green. And, I do want to let this play out, let it test itself. We know the Bitcoin halving is coming up. So we are going to see maybe some rally. Maybe Bitcoin goes over 10,000. It's really some uncharted territory that we're in because there's a pandemic going on. So I'm not sure what to really expect. Certainly there's going to be a bullish sentiment, but how high we go is to be determined. So right now, we're around that $7,500 mark, and let's hope things go higher and continue to go up. But like I said, guys, we got to be cautiously optimistic because we're in a pandemic right now. But the building continues, guys. Institutional money is setting up shop, building out their infrastructure and their partnerships, investments, and expansions. And here we got news from ErisX, which is, of course, backed by TD Ameritrade, and they recently partnered with Fidelity Digital Assets. But it says here, ErisX expands connectivity, enabling Caspian's institutional users to access to the exchange's crypto spot and futures market crypto digital assets. So once again, continued partnerships and expansions, building more on-ramps for the big money. And in this blog here, they titled it Caspian expands liquidity access by enabling clients to trade on ErisX. So here's straight from the source, and this is really great. So launched in 2018, Caspian OEMS provides asset managers, brokers, and trading firms a full stack crypto trading, portfolio, and risk management platform. The complete suite includes sophisticated trading algorithms, real-time and historical P&L, as well as exposure tracking. Here is a quote from the Chief Executive Officer at ErisX. We are thrilled to partner with Caspian and invite their global customers to trade and manage risk on ErisX, said CEO of ErisX, Thomas Chippes. Integrating their order and execution management system with our reliable and regulated capital markets workflows is another way in which we are enhancing the crypto trading and investing experience. And remember, they're not for retail, guys. They are for institutional investors. So just keep that in mind. And more money is going to come from the institutional investors. I believe they will lead the next bull rally, not so much retail. Retail will, of course, follow and FOMO in, but I believe institutional investors are going to lead the next rally. Now, we got some news here that survey shows growing interest among Americans in blockchain and cryptos. On this channel, we've covered news about the Google trends showing that search data is up for Bitcoin and Bitcoin halving. Colleges and universities are offering blockchain courses. So a Paxful survey shows that a growing percentage of Americans are considering cryptocurrencies as an alternative to the current financial system. And I think people are recognizing that, guys, that all the money printing, all the fiat inflation and devaluing of the dollar, people are looking for these alternative investments to put their money in. And I think with the internet, people are really recognizing or getting access to the knowledge and information they wouldn't have had years ago, where videos like this are informing them like, hey, look what's happening here. Something's wrong, right? So this is a good sign. And of course, they're going to be putting their money into crypto. According to a survey conducted by a global peer-to-peer Bitcoin marketplace, Paxful, this demographic increasingly views digital assets as an alternative to the defective and traditional financial system. So not much to go through there, guys. I think many of us understand the sentiment and the trends. That's why we are in crypto. It's a matter of the masses recognizing it. So they will soon come, guys. in masses. You'll see a lot of inflows of cash and from a lot of retail FOMO. So Starbucks, McDonald's among 19 firms to test China's digital yuan. Big news here. And the Chinese are not slowing down here, guys. They are trying to be the first to get their digital currency going. We'll see who wins the race. I know the US is trying to get the digital dollar going as well. So Starbucks and McDonald's are reportedly among 19 restaurants and retail shops that will be involved in testing China's central bank digital currency in the country's Xiong'an New District. The Reformation and Development Commission of that district mentioned in Hebei province reportedly convened a meeting on Wednesday regarding the rollout of a pilot of China's digital yuan initiative. So things are moving ahead here, guys. And you may say, well, once again, what does this have to do with crypto and why is it important? Because this validates the crypto asset class, that people will become comfortable with the tokenization of fiat currencies in a digital format where they get rid of paper money. It then puts them in a mind frame of understanding and accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, that yes, you don't have to have paper money. It can be in a digital form and it's backed by the blockchain. So you have trust and transparency there. So there will also be more interoperability, better interoperability with fiat currencies globally. So I believe this is going to be big for the crypto asset class, guys. And that's why I'm talking to Algorand tomorrow to find out what the Marshall Islands is doing, with them in building out their CBDC. Now, Binance-Backed cryptocurrency payments app bundle launches in Nigeria. Social Payments Application Bundle launched its service in Nigeria after incubation by leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance. So Africa and the countries within it is primed for crypto. There's so many people are unbanked and don't have proper financial services. And I think a lot of these exchanges and companies are in a battle and a race here to try to see who can be the first mover and get that advantage of getting adoption, guys. So big market across countries in Africa. Social Payments Application Bundle launches service in Nigeria after, once again, the incubation by Binance. According to an announcement on April 23rd, Bundle now allows its users to request, send, and receive cash or crypto from their peers in Nigeria. By the end of this year, the firm plans to expand to over 30 African countries and provide a simple fiat on-ramp for crypto in the continent. Very bullish news here, guys. That's a big untapped market. Bundle supports Binance Coin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, as well as the local fiat currency. So as usual, they'll start off with the top ones and then expand to XRP, Litecoin, and others. So I like this news, guys. This is why we got to be patient. So many things being built here. Now, speaking of Algorand, Algorand has joined a trade association to further blockchain adoption. The Wall Street Blockchain Alliance welcomes Algorand to their team as a corporate member. Big win here for Algorand, guys. They are a proof-of-stake cryptocurrency blockchain platform. They're a competitor of Ethereum, and they're already in proof-of-stake. So we're going to learn more from that interview tomorrow. But this is good news. According to the Post, Algorand is teaming up with as many of the tech and finance companies that are working with the WSBA. Their goal is to exploit the potential that blockchain technology offers for financial markets. This is a big strategic move for them. You're in the room with Wall Street Blockchain Alliance and meeting these different folks and trying to get adoption. I like it. This is what you want to see, right? As an investor, if you're invested in Algorand, I personally am not. I am reviewing because they are making some big moves. And I think I'm going to learn more from that interview tomorrow and then determine if I'm going to add it to my portfolio. I think Algorand, or at least an Algorand token right now, is sitting at I think like 18 cents or something like that. So the upside, 19 cents now. The upside is pretty big here. And the circulating supply is not that ridiculous. So potential for an increase here. So I will certainly let you guys know if I add it to my portfolio. Not financial or investment advice, of course, just letting you know what I do. And I think you guys should all check out that interview because maybe you can learn about it if you don't have it in your portfolio, or if you already do, you learn some more stuff. So guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. big things happening, and like I said, institutional investors are on the way in, and we just got to be patient here. So I will talk to you guys later.